Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable the dynamic messaging on AOL Mail step by step. Now, dynamic messaging allows emails to display the interactive or automatically updating content, but some users prefer turning it off for a simpler or more private email experience. So here is how you can do it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for AOL.com. When you are here on this page, simply click on the option of the mail icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now it is going to redirect you here on the sign in page where you just have to provide your sign in credentials in order to basically sign in into your account. So once you are inside, you just have to basically hover over to the left hand side and look for the option of the settings icon. After clicking on the settings icon, simply look for the option of the more settings in order to access the full list of the email configuration options. Inside the settings panel, look for the menu at the top left hand corner of the screen and click on the option of viewing email. Now this section controls how emails are displayed on your inbox. In the center of the screen, find the option which is called dynamic message, and then you can basically turn it on and off. So since you want to basically turn it off, simply click on it and turn it off. So once the toggle button is disabled, the dynamic messaging will no longer load interactive content in your emails. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.